In travel news, for September 20th, 2023, we talk about Windstar's recently released itineraries for the winter 2025-2026 sailing season. But before we begin, I'm Brandon with the Adept Traveler, a travel agency that makes travel so easy, even a blind person can do it. And now, today in travel. Windstar Cruises has recently detailed its extensive plans for its 6-vessel fleet, covering itineraries up to winter 2025-2026. Notably, the cruise line is launching new sailings in the Canary Islands, unveiling Middle East cruise tours, and enhancing its Tahiti offerings. Special promotions, including complimentary upgrades, are also being rolled out for early bookings. For travelers booking their 2025-2026 itineraries by November 6th, Windstar Cruises is providing a complimentary upgrade to all-inclusive fares. These fares cover a range of onboard amenities such as unlimited alcoholic beverages and Wi-Fi, and include all gratuities. A company representative indicates that these initial prices are the best rates for these journeys. In addition, $100 of onboard credits will be given per guest as part of this special offer. The Canary Islands will be served by the 148-passenger Windstar between November 2025 and March 2026. This development builds on existing Canary Islands routes and offers travelers an attractive winter destination option. The cruise line is increasing its presence in the Middle East through spring 2025 with a series of voyages that include cruise tours in cities such as Dubai and Muscat. These tours will be conducted aboard the 312-passenger Star Legend. Windstar Cruises is set to expand its French Polynesia offerings. Specifically, 2 new 3-day cruise tour options are being introduced. One focuses on the culinary aspects of Tahiti and Moorea, while the other offers an overwater bungalow experience in Tahitian paradises. These extensions can be added to the existing 7-day Dreams of Tahiti voyages. The cruise line is planning to replace the 148-passenger Wind Spirit with the larger 312-passenger Star Breeze in Tahiti starting February 2024. Additionally, the 55-day Grand Caribbean Adventure will be relaunched on the 312-passenger Windsurf, featuring new ports and partial Panama Canal transit, among other highlights. Windstar Cruises is making considerable updates to its itineraries and packages, providing travelers with an array of options for the upcoming seasons. Whether it's early booking benefits, new destinations, or enhanced cruise packages, there are multiple avenues for travelers to plan their cruise journey. Today in Travel is brought to you by The Adept Traveler, a travel agency that specializes in making travel easier for everyone. From the novice to the expert, from the able-bodied to the disabled traveler, everybody deserves to travel well. Until next time, travel well, my friends.